How to create Telegram without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can create a Telegram account without phone number. Now first things first, I'll be straightforward with you. What you'll need to know is there is no any absolute way on you can being able to create an account on Telegram without phone number. Telegram will straightforward ask you to log in using your phone number. There is no any other way around. Now I'll just tap on add another account. You can see you'll only get an option to log in through the phone number. What you can do, however, is if you don't have a phone number, or if you don't own a phone number, or if you don't want to use your private phone number, you can go ahead to your browser and you'll get various virtual numbers. You can search in for free virtual numbers, and once you're searching for free virtual numbers, you'll get various links here, the free links where you'll be able to get it for free. You can use these numbers, you can tap on them and you can copy them, and you'll get the update any SMS received on this number. Here down below you can see SMS code. Plenty of people have used this, so you can use this to log in to create the account. So this way you can create Telegram account without owning a phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.